Manual importing and exporting of your contacts from a Google spreadsheet to your ActiveCampaign list can sometimes do the job for you. But here's an easier way, using Automate.io. Automate.io is a simple tool that connects your favorite web apps and automates your tedious manual work so that you can spend your time working on the things that matter to you. To begin, visit this page, click on this use case box, and then click the Get Started button. You will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will connect your ActiveCampaign and Google Sheets accounts to Automate.io. Now let's enter our account credentials. We always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. All right, our apps are connected. Now let's build this automation, also called a bot. First, let's focus on Google Sheets. This is our trigger app which starts our bot. This bot triggers every time there's a new row added in our Google spreadsheet. And don't forget, Google Sheets has a lot more triggers down here that can come in handy for other use cases, so make sure you check those out and find out what other things we can automate for you. Now let's move over to ActiveCampaign. This is our action app that performs our desired action. In this case, we want to add a contact in ActiveCampaign for every new row in our Google spreadsheet. And just like Google Sheets, there are a lot of other actions down here that can come in handy for other use cases, so make sure you check these out as well. And now it's time for mapping. The fields that you see here are taken directly from our example Google spreadsheet. If we had more columns, they would also be listed here and available for you to map. We've now set up our bot, so go ahead and click Next, and let's go test it out. Now, come back to your Automate.io dashboard. All right, it looks good. Now let's check our ActiveCampaign. And there you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all of this work for you. You don't have to manually do it anymore. So if you'd like to try out this bot, click the link in the description to get started quickly. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.